Could the future of Florida's real estate be profoundly impacted by changes in a swamp? Yes, you heard that right. A swamp. The Everglades, to be exact. And not just any swamp, but a critical ecosystem undergoing a transformative $4 billion restoration effort that could have significant implications for property owners and buyers in Florida. First off, let it sink in that we're talking about the largest hydrological restoration in U.S. history. The Everglades, often referred to as the River of Grass, supplies clean drinking water to millions, serves as a natural flood barrier, and is a cornerstone of Florida's tourism and fishing industries. But decades of alterations and neglect have left the area in dire straits, until now. This ambitious restoration, including the construction of a significant component, the Everglades Agricultural Area Reservoir, is designed to correct water flow, restore natural habitats, boost water quality, and protect nearby communities from flooding. And it's all happening as we speak, with an estimated completion of 2032. Intrigued about how this restoration project could affect you as either a homeowner or a prospective buyer? Residents of Gainesville, while inhabiting a local environment that's distinctly different from the Everglades, are indirectly connected through the threads of environmental sustainability and water management. Particularly because Florida's aquifers and water systems are so interconnected. And Gainesville's real estate market, much like the rest of Florida, is influenced by environmental policies and projects. Think about it. Enhanced flood protections and improved water quality in one part of Florida can bolster statewide confidence in property investments, potentially stabilizing or even increasing property values in Gainesville and surrounding areas of Florida. There's more to this narrative, especially regarding how communities perceive sustainable living and long-term investments in real estate. Historically, properties near protected or restored natural habitats, like those anticipated in the restored Everglades, have seen an appreciation in value. Why? Because those areas offer more than just a home. They offer a lifestyle, closer to nature yet protected from its extremes. Consider the implications of the EAA reservoir. By storing and cleaning vast amounts of water, it's expected not only to aid in ecological balance, but also to enhance water management during drought or flood events. This is paramount, not just for environmentalists, but for homeowners who crave stability in their living environments. A stable and efficient water management system reduces the risk of extreme weather impacts, keeping insurance premiums in check and ensuring that home values don't wildly fluctuate due to environmental risks. Moreover, as Gainesville and other Florida cities grow, the demand for sustainable living options becomes paramount. Projects like Everglades Restoration indirectly serve as benchmarks for what sustainable development could look like, potentially shaping housing developments in Gainesville and surrounding areas that prioritize ecological balance. What about immediate benefits or concerns for Gainesville homeowners? Water quality and availability impacts statewide policies and can influence everything from agricultural practices to recreational activities, directly affecting the lifestyle and utilities of Gainesville residents. Think of ongoing efforts in the Everglades as a blueprint for future statewide, environmental, and potentially nationwide initiatives that could reshape how communities in Gainesville and beyond think about real estate, community planning, and environmental stewardship. Environmental awareness is a great reason to choose where you live, but it's not the only one. And depending upon what you like or don't like, Gainesville might just be perfect for you. I'm Lindsey Johnson, your resource for all things real estate. See you next time.